Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now we have to tap on language and region, and here, as you can see, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, which is the default one. So simply tap on add language, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it, and let me pick, for example, Turkish. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping on particular language, your device will ask you if you want to set it as a default one. So of course you can set yes, no, or go back. So let me pick yes, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied, so the whole system, the whole menu right now will be in the chosen language. So if you'd like to change the language again, and if you will have, for example, two different languages I like here, then you will have to change the position of the language you want to set. So let's pretend, maybe not even pretend, because I really want to do it, set the English as a default one. Then all you have to do is to simply tap on it and hold it, and as you can see, you can move the position of it. So let's drag it to the very first position, and here your device will ask you if you want to change to English. So let me tap on this option, and as you can see, this is how you can change the language if you've got more than one language on this list. So that's all. This is how to change the language. And if you'd like to remove the language from this list, then simply tap on the three dots icon and tap on edit. And as you can see right now, you can mark the language you like to remove. You cannot mark the language which is a default one right now. So let me pick Turkish and simply tap on delete. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.